chairman of this evening, of this event, esteemed poets and other distinguished delegates. Today, I am honored to present you a poem that captures the heart of our heritage and traditions. This poem, originally written by me in the Chakma language, is a tribute to Alpaloni, one of the most celebrated festivals of our Chakma community. Alpaloni is celebrated during the harvest season, a time between May and June, when the Zoom farmers begin gathering fresh vegetables, fruits, and grains from their Zoom. On this day, the farmer takes a break from their work and express gratitude to Malokki, the goddess of prosperity. This auspicious day is marked by joy, reverence, and a deep connection with nature. The poem paints vivid image of the vibrant life brought by the Alpaloni, the swaying of trees and bamboos, the cool afternoon breeze, singing of birds, and the dance of wildlife, celebrating the abundance of the season. It captures the harmony between the farmers, their lands, and the divine blessing of their receipt. Through this poem, we the Chakma remind of the profound respect we hold for our tradition and the eternal bond between our people and the earth. It is called to value of the roots and celebrate the cycles of life that sustain us. I now present you this poem, a heartfelt tribute to Alpaloni and the spirit of it being each year. Alpaloni thornang azarma jotjonom nozumor bugut elafadi loge anoy trongdong thor sormanat dukkambolai thagol nodoron sedinni elfadani melnogoron man gojebar tuntunni mokke songor phageido আদসংনে দান সরাজুরি জরা নিদই গরি দৈতুই বান আল্লো বলাই তোর সালামত লাঙল নদরন লক্ষ্মী বান্দালিত আয়ো বাত্তে মা লক্ষ্মীরে পুজুন নোনো তন পাক তোর বলফে আগা বাইতে উদে মা বজমপুদি হুজি ওই আয় আগাচ্ছানে দে ফরসিদি ফিবির বইয়ের আনয় দিবুচ্ছে মাদান লাঙেল ফেগুড়ি বেড়ান জাগে যাক শিককে নতাই হিজিঙত থর হুজিয়েই দেবরাজে থেদের জর্দি যায় ইন্দ্ররাজে মনর হুজিয়ে সগই জিরেইরি নিচায় জারর গাইবাজ নাজেই তুলে বইয়ের হেলি পবনে হেনে তরে নাং থই দিল দেবর আলী গজেনে সরাজুরিত ইজেমাজ উচ্চ ইতান হুজিয়ে হাঙারা সামুক বামত ছেলই algai beran lungguyi. Thore janat siji dinot mane begenai phal bodon. Oring somora singel legoboy. Hujiye tinen goron. Langa langi dogori pan. Salije uron so. Thor dol dinot alpaloni. Suni pei thodek jagoro. Ejoy tui biju pore. Azar mazor 7 tarik. Ragebar sei phangori nei. Fele jaichoy tui halik. Ejoy jaj bojore ekbar. Sujugor tal mile nei. Medinir bugut baji thede juge jug dori nei. It is a rough translation in English, Alpaloni. Alpaloni, that is your name. You arrive with celebrations and greenery of the Zoom. In your honor, farmer refrains from touching their flowers. No green leaves or vegetables are harmed as they pay you respect. You ripen the corn, silk among the knee-high grains. You bring the rains, filling the stream and rivers with floods. Farmers set aside their plows and worship Malokki, the goddess of prosperity. Praise vegetable thrive under your blessing. Mother Bajampudi brightens the earth with her light from above. A rush of cool breeze, sweet throat of afternoon, the bellies come alive with the flocks of birds, banishing all loneliness. The sky responds with rain in your joy. King Indra, content, casts his hidden smile. Trees and bamboos sways gracefully in the wind. Nature dances in perfect harmony. Fish and shrimp rejoice. Crab, snail, bamos, shallows, and longu fish swim freely. On your auspicious ride, tadpoles gather in clusters. Deer, estates, and yak move with the renewed vigor. On this beautiful day of Alpaloni, the calls of parrots echo around. You come after Biju on the 7th day of June. We wish to give you, but you must depart. You come and go each year as traditional